Okay, good. First, Froggy threw his bat.
Okay.
Then what happened?
He went in right field and the ball came and hit him in the nose.
Okay, good. Let's write about that now. Good. Okay, so what happened after that?
He hit a home run.
He hit a home run. Okay, so let's see. Who is Froggy's coach? Do you remember?
His dad.
And really quick, was Froggy, was the is there anything else that happened after the home run, or is that's the last thing that happened?
He forgot to touch home plate.
Oh, he forgot to touch home plate? Then let's write about that really quick. Was that the last thing that happened, or did something else happen after he forgot to touch home plate? That's the last thing? Okay, good. So that's that. Now I'm just going to ask you a couple questions throughout the book. So I did go ahead and already ask you, but who was Froggy's coach?
His dad.
His dad. Okay, so how about, here we can turn the page over. Or why don't we, since we only wrote that much, why don't you go right here and you could put number 1. Okay, and you're going to write the answer. I'll ask the question and you write the answer. So who, again, was Froggy's coach?
His dad.
Good. So you just write the answer. What did it sound like when Froggy hopped? What words did they use in here? Did they go waddle, waddle, waddle? Or did they go flap, flap,
Ian Phillips,
flap?
201, please. Ian 201.
job. Okay, you can put for number 3. Okay, there were a couple things that Froggy ate for breakfast. I'm going to read it and I'm going to leave one word out and you're going to guess what it is. Back in the kitchen, he ate his bowl of cereal and blank. Do you remember what that was? Cereal and...
Sit right here.
Think about it. What does this type of thing eat?
Flies.
Write that down. Okay, you can put number 4. Do you remember what his dad asked him before they went to the baseball park? He wanted him to remember something. Do you remember what he wanted him to remember?
Go to first, second, third.
Good. And what do we call that? Do you know? Do we call it how to shop? Do we call it how to hit the ball? Or do we call it how to run the bases? Do you remember the name of Froggy's baseball team?
The Giants. Then you can't take the barrel here. Put it right there. No! I want to, bitch!
Just let her do it.
I'm not watching it.
Let her play. Just let her play. Yes, you can.
Okay, good job. Number 6.
Let her scream.
You can write number 6 to me. Okay, they didn't say this in the book, but do you remember from the pictures what color his baseball team was? It didn't say it in the book.
Red.
Good. And then you can put number 7. Okay, so you told me this before, but I'm going to ask you again. On his last swing, his what flew out of his hands?
Bat.
Good. And what happened? Did it hurt anyone or no?
It didn't.
It didn't. And what were they wearing again?
A helmet.
Good. So all you need to write is what flew out of his hands.
This one, volume 16. That one doesn't show that it's at any. So I don't know that I can get. Looking at maybe there's. There should be a listing that says, we have this one here, but there aren't any for that particular volume. Right, interest you in one of these?
Good. Number 8. Why did Froggy's mom have to take Polly home for a nap?
Want to start with 2?
game was long.
Good.
Well, this one, see how it says 4 items available, this one might come in faster. But we can try this one too. So 4? 4 is fine. Okay.
Okay, when will they come?
Well, people have to bring them back first. So do you know the last 4 digits of your phone number? 4947.
Good job. Number 9. Wait, number 9.
What, Grandma? What's your call back?
And then scan your card right here, sweetheart.
What was Froggy so distracted about? What was bothering him when the ball got hit to him? Do you remember why he wasn't there to catch it? What was he doing instead?
See how it popped up in this box?
Eating flies.
Good job.
Is there another number that might be the PIN number?
Oh, his.
You know your PIN number, do you?
No.
Come on. Do you remember this? You want to type it in? Do you remember?
Did something happen since he wasn't paying attention?
He got hit in the nose.
Then you can write that for number 10.
Let's try scanning it and make sure it's fingers crossed it all works. Excellent. So we're going to say submit this request. And then, so these two, there aren't copies, so I can't get it. So should we go back and try some more? Coming in. Now both of them had people, they were already
Okay.
at somebody's house, so we have to wait.
No,
till
it
they
says
get
right
back.
here. This is when Froggy was up to bat. I'll reread it to you. It says, when it was Froggy's next turn to bat, he swung, zwap, and the ball dribbled off the tee. And he ran for it and threw it fast to first. Out, cried the ref at first base. Oops, said Froggy, I threw myself out. But he still had one more chance. It was the last inning. There were 2 outs and the bases were loaded. Froggy stepped up to bat and swung. Do you know what bases are loaded means?
People are on first, second, and third.
Good. I want you to write that. So the question was, do you know what bases are loaded means? We're at number 11, right? Good. Number 12. Okay, so this was the song that they taught Froggy to sing, and it goes like this. Froggy skipped around the bases singing, first run to first, second run to second, third run to third, then run home. What did he make a mistake by doing? What did he do? He made a mistake.
Run home.
Run home, so he was right? That he ran home. Right?
Yeah.
Was that the mistake, though? What was the mistake? You said it, but if he ran home to home plate, is that right? Or did he run first?